I'm Deb Kelsch from Finish Well Health Coaching, and I think today we'll try some breakfast. Time to look in the fridge. Some eggs. Cheddar cheese, yes. Oh, look. There's some leftover pico. Sour cream. Now we need something green. Let's see. Take that. What's this? I'll take that. Okay, so this is what I found. I have my oil that I'll be used for cooking. It's avocado oil. I have some organic hash browns. Organic free-range eggs. Goat cheese crumbles. Sharp white cheddar cheese. Some pico. You remember this was from a previous episode. We had some of this left. And something green. This looks like it might be kale. So there you have it. I got my pan ready. I'm going to pour some oil in the pan. Go. I'm going to start cooking the hash browns. Move these over here. I'm going to put some kale in here and wilt it just a little. Kale is not my favorite, that just happens to be what I have. And I'm going to pour a little bit of oil on top of it. Starting to sizzle. The greens will definitely be done first. Have a little bit of minced garlic. I think I will add some to the greens. Now the greens are done. I'm going to put those in my bowl. Boy, they wilted down. Look at that. I might have to cook a little bit more. We'll do that. That's better. That will be better. Put these in our bowl. Now if you like more, you can cook more. Just have the bottom of the bowl covered here. Now while that's cooking, I'm going to pour some pico in here. Pico is best served cold, so we will put that layer on next. Sprinkle on some goat cheese. Some sour cream. However much you like. I'm going to put a little more oil in here. Listen to that sizzle. Ooh. Now I'm going to get my eggs. You can see they're all different colors. We buy these from local farmers. And I'm going to crack the egg right over top. And now the salt, my favorite mineral salt. I'm going to put a lid over this. Going Get those egg yolks cooked up. Ooh. Want to keep this moving around so they don't burn. I did turn down the heat a little bit. It's on medium here. Maybe I'll turn it down a little more. Okay, now this will take a few minutes. Smells delicious. My yolks are starting to turn pink. That's exactly what you want to happen. And now, I'm going to cook them a little bit longer. They're almost to the point where they're done. So now, I'm going to sprinkle the cheese. And I'm going to put this lid back on. More cheese. And we're going to melt that cheese. Nice and gooey. And when the cheese is melted, it will be done. Ooh. I'm going to turn off the heat. I got my bowl. I'm going to put these right in there. Look at that. And now I'm ready to eat.